Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one, I'm going to do the Battlegrounds mobile game training test in the Realme GT Neo 3 device after the recent update. Yes friends, finally I was able to use with the 60 FPS in this Realme GT Neo 3 device because of the update which I did receive, Battlegrounds mobile game 2.0, and using with the 60 FPS we'll try to do the battery training test in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. Right now the battery percentage is exact, let me show you. It's about 88% right now, as you can see 88%, and I did start the test and I'm trying to use with the 4G SIM card, only with the 4G, not with the Wi-Fi connection. So you should definitely remember about that as well. And we'll try to see how is the overall gameplay going to be there in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. So using with the 60 FPS. So this is going to be really very interesting friends, because 60 FPS, and it's my first time doing this kind of test as well in the 60 FPS. Because before we did get only 30 FPS, right? That's the reason I'm really excited to see. 88% is the battery right now. Let's find out how much the battery will be draining later on. You can see the FPS, how much it is right now. It's about 60, it's maintaining. And I'll try to play the game for a couple of hours. Then again, I'll be back after maybe 30 minutes. Then we'll try to discuss. After 30 minutes, how much the battery dropped. After 1 hour, after 2 hours. In this way, we'll try to calculate what's going on as well. So I'll be back friends after 30 minutes of time. So overall the FPS was able to maintain pretty stable, not bad. 30 FPS it's maintaining. But again I'll be back after 30 minutes of time. Right now as you can see friends, the time is about close to 20 minutes of time at this moment while playing in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. I'll try to show you what is the battery draining it has happened in this phone at this moment. Let me try to show you. Right now the battery dropped to 82% from 89%. From 89 it decreased to 82. You can clearly see friends the temperature, how much it got decreased. In case if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below friends. Definitely I'll be able to reply to you. But right now, so 82% got finally reached, and temperature did reach up to 39 degrees Celsius. I can be back after 40 minutes of time. Then we can discuss more details. As you can see friends, right now the time is about close to 1 hour and 5 minutes of time as well. I'll try to show you exactly what is the battery it got dropped during this time of testing in this device. I'll try to find out exactly how much the battery got dropped. Right now the percentage is about 72%, as you can see 72% on the top of notification panel. I have started the test around I think 88%. So 88% I started the test, and right now after 1 hour of time it drained to 72%. Let me try to do one thing. 88 minus 72, total 16% is drained in 1 hour of time. 1 hour non-stop gaming Battlegrounds mobile game, 16% drained in the device. That's something you should definitely understand friends regarding the battery draining, how much it's happening. So not spectating continuously, I'm trying to play the game. Again I'll be back after 1.5 hours, then we can discuss more details. But if you try to calculate in this way, 16% for every 1 hour, so overall maybe we might get kind of close to 6 hours of time. 6 hours, 5.5 hours to 6 hours of time of continuous gaming can be possible. But let's find out after 2 hours, we'll try to know how much the battery is draining. Again I'll be back after some time. Right now as you can see friends, regarding the battery draining overall after playing for more than 2 hours of time, let me show you how much the battery is drained in this device. So in the Realme GT Neo 3 device, after playing non-stop for about 2 hours of time, the battery drained to 57%, from 88% to 57%, you can clearly see. So all 31% of the battery got decreased during this process demonstration. 31%. And right now the temperature did increase kind of close to 40 degrees Celsius as well. Kind of very close to 40. That's something you should know about the temperature readings in the Realme GT Neo 3 device. This is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent update only friends in this device. After recent update and with a 60 FPS only, I'm trying to do this kind of complete test. So meanwhile signing off friends, thank you for watching. Overall 40 degrees is observed regarding the temperature readings, and regarding the battery rating it dropped to 31% got decreased during 2 hours of demonstration. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next week, more updates. In case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until next week, more updates, and bye.